Step 1. Gather all the materials.
Used oil, strainer, glass container with metal lid, desired wick, hammer, chisel, orange.
Step 2. Remove the lid of the glass container. Use the hammer and chisel to poke a hole in the middle of the tin cover.
Step 3. Insert the wick into the hole. Make sure there is an inch showing on the wick.
Step 4. Scoop any large chunks of food left with a strainer.
Step 5. Wash the ginger thoroughly and cut it into pieces. Step 6. Pour the strained used oil together with ginger in the pot and boil it for a few minutes.
Step 7. Peel the orange skin.
Step 8. Fill the jar with the oil and close it with the lid with the wick.